Xiaomi's Mi Max 3 specs and conjectured valuing has built. The whole was posted on Weibo. According to the specs, the Mi Max 3 will emulate its antecedent's example. Dimensionally, the Max 3 will wear nearly an indistinguishable measurements from the Max 2, with the main distinction being the estimated 7-inch full-screen show, taking into consideration an angle proportion of 18:9. This implies there will be no capacitive route, rather just screen route will be available. The full-screen show does not come as Astonishment, as a vast majority of the makers are presently turning increasingly towards keeping up at 18:9 viewpoint proportion on the cell phones. The post on Weibo reports nearness of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 635 processor and two memory alternatives, 3GB/64GB and 4GB/128GB. A 5MP front camera and a 12MP back camera is accounted for to be a piece of the bundle alongside a humongous 5500 mAh battery. Consistent with its name, the Mi Max 3 will be an imposing gadget if evaluated right. The tipster incites at a sticker price of 1,699 yuan, making an interpretation of generally to $265. The tip relates to a prior report with respect to the Max 3, so it appears to be reasonable that the announced specs are valid. However, the report likewise guaranteed that the Max 3 will have a double camera setup. The Max 3 is relied upon to see the light of day whenever amid the finish of the second quarter, so it will be a while till we begin seeing some obvious reports.